Over here about to give you guys a little how-to video. Mr. Miller pulled up, loading up into the Triple M Moto garage. Just love that we call it that. It's not really that special, it's just a garage. Solid. So what we can do, dude?
Clean this up. This thing's filthy. So dirty.
We're gonna do a quick filter clean.
Yours isn't as dirty as mine. Why is that?
Well, yours does all angles.
Yeah.
But we're gonna get these guys cleaned up and show you guys kind of just how you would service it, right?
Yeah, because they need to be serviced regularly.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it'll be easy and quick.
So Sean has the Harley Davidson heavy breather air kit, or Screaming Eagle heavy breather. So his is just requiring one 5/16 Allen socket or Allen key to take this one off, and then this guy comes off.
Yours.
I have the Fueling BA air cleaner kit, and that one requires
4mm.
4mm, and there's what, 7 of them?
6.
6 bolts all around. I'll show you right now. They go around it here and house the air cleaner on the inside. So we'll get those guys off, and then we'll have them off. I'm gonna break down this kit for you guys. So you got the K&N recharge kit. Obviously you gotta open it. Oh man, I really get that sucker kept together. So you got the Power Clean air cleaner, like spray bottle, and we'll kind of go over how to use that. And then you have the filter oil, and it's red oil. So when Sean was talking about it being red, this is what makes the filter red, essentially. I mean, the filter is it red at the base? I feel like it's like a reddish color.
Yeah, it's like a reddish color, but I don't.
But this definitely makes it more red.
Gives it that red air.
So this is what you would do after it's dry and it's ready to be put back on the bike. But there are some filters that are pre-treated and don't need this, so I would suggest checking which filter you have. As far as cleaning it, I know that in the past when I had dirt bikes, they want you to spray this on
from the inside.
From the inside, and then you kind of rinse it off under the sink. So we'll double check what they want us to do, and we'll kind of go through it with you guys. I'm sure there's instructions in here. Oh yeah, look at that. Apply cleaner. Step 1. Rinse and let dry, which is great because it's like, what, a hot California day, like 100 degrees outside.
Perfect day to do it.
And then oil the filter.
And the most important things with, like, when you're spraying in the cleaner and then rinsing it out, just some research I did myself, you don't want to use a pressure washer because this is all basically just metal, like little metal mesh and then some paper products. So you don't want to break that up because it's the only thing that's going to be basically filtering the air. And then you clean it so the spray goes on the inside and you spray from the inside. So when you rinse it out, all the dirt comes out the dirty side. You don't want to push the dirt deeper into the filter. since you're gonna rinse all this off, it doesn't really matter if you think you put too much. Come on, Kanan, help me out here. There we go. Almost there. Cool. Kind of just let that sit. We know K&N really makes good filters. I don't know if they make good squeeze bottles. And then sit and wait. Let it break up all that dirty dirt. Easy peasy.
Good time maybe to crack an adult beverage.
Yeah. One day. Yeah.
Should we go to the sponsors?
Yes. Go to sponsors. Go to sponsors. There we go.
What a nice koozie you have there. Good? Approved? Triple M approved?
Dixon approved. Dude, yeah, totally triple M.
Just giving Dixon some love.
Gotta get your antioxidants in.
Ooh. How we looking?
Getting there. Still some water. I mean, it's got to be dry because you want the oil to stick to the body. But you just rotate them around, let them spend some time in the sunshine.
How we looking? Dry? Almost dry?
I don't think you can get all the oil off.
No, they feel pretty dry, dude. Time to lube them
I
up.
think they're ready.
Lube them up and get them ready to go.
Lube them up.
Alright. Go for it.
So, instructions say 3 inches away and just on the pleats. So we'll start.
There you go.
There we go.
2 hours later.
And we'll let it wick. Let it do its wicking job.
One down, one to go. So I'm gonna be not as anal as Sean, but
Yeah,
still try and do the best I can because we're both OCD in our own way. But let him clean his hands off, and then I'll show you how I'm gonna do it. Just after years of owning motorcycles, I've done it multiple times.
He's going to town. Just different techniques, but
Let it wick.
I think they're ready to go back on.
All right,
Let's do it.
let's do it. Time to reassemble. Yours is super simple.
Mine's super simple.
Getting all that rubber dry. It's nice and coated. We let it wick in the sun for a bit. That's it. Just goes on there like that. Line the hole up. One bolt, and it's a quarter
This
inch.
is a 5/16.
5/16 inch Allen key for that one right there in the middle. It's kind of the beauty of the Screaming Eagle kits. It's a very simple, easy to put on kit. I had it on one of my old bikes actually, so I don't believe you have to over tighten it too much either because it's just a filter. There's no hard point really.
Cool.
And that's it.
Easy peasy.
Yep.
Done and done.
sure the bike starts and runs okay afterwards. So today we showed you guys a how-to.
Yeah, super easy one. But
Simple. What'd you pay for the K&N recharge
20
kit?
bucks.
So $20 and some wrenches.
And it has, I mean, this isn't like a one-time use thing. Like,
No.
you got this for
No,
a
you
long
can use that
time.
for a while.
Yeah,
I think
a
the
long
one that
time.
I have in my cabinet is still from my dirt bike, like
Yeah.
10 years ago.
Yeah, so I mean,
Simple,
it's definitely a good,
easy job.
good investment, something you can do on your own.
Good way to maintain your own bike.
For sure.
And like anything else, you get busy, so it's a good way to just
Spend time.
spend time and find time on two wheels.